What's up, guys? It's Aiden back with another video, and today is the third video I've done today for Christmas. And I'm at my cousin's house, and I'm going to be breaking a 2020 Topps Update Blaster box. Looking for the top rookies. We've been doing update pretty much all day. And then tomorrow, stay tuned, I'll be breaking this 2020 Stadium Club Chrome. It's going to be fun, and let's get ripping into it. And hit that thumbs up button if you're new to the channel. And hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. And let's get ripping into it. So we got the exclusive. Let's take a look at the odds. It's not gonna focus, but what I really want to pull is I want to pull an auto of somebody or something. So let's get ripping into it. Pack number 1 for retail. So we start off with Bryce Harper, Matt Davidson, Jero Diaz, MLB All-Star Rivals, Touki Toussaint, Albert Pujols, Asher, that's the same guy again, I don't want to pronounce, Travis Shaw, Andres Gimenez, Lewis Brinson, Tino Martinez, Junior Guerra, Yoshi Hirano, and Miguel Cabrera. So nothing too crazy out of that. Hopefully I can get a Rosarina. That will be 4 Rosarina cards that I have of update. Battery Bath, Jalen Beeks, Ryan Howard, Miguel Cabrera, Stevie Wilkerson, Chase Anderson, Adam Engel, and Aaron Judge Refractor. That's a nice one.
Reprint rookie card refractor?
No, just a rookie. Base refractor. Not bad. Joey Votto, Alex Wood, Christian Arroyo, Trent Grisham, Josh Phegley, and David McKay. That was a nice pack. Gotta sleeve up this guy. He's one guy that I'm going to be keeping tucked away for a bit. Pack number 3 of 7. Derek Jeter, Ichiro, Francisco Lindor, Ken Griffey Jr., Cesar Hernandez, Eric Mejia, Alex Blandino, Mike King, Dustin Garneau, CC Sabathia, Richard Bleer, Diego Castillo, Josh Tomlin, and Andrew Neisner. So let's hope that I can hit something big out of them. So pack number 4. Shower Time, Justin Verlander, Clayton Kershaw, Buster Posey, a Yordan Alvarez rookie debut. Jose Altuve, Alex Avila, Aaron Judge, Bo Bichette. Rookie card. A back-to-back. Nice. Taylor Ward, Donovan Solano, and Robbie Cano. That was a nice Bo Bichette pack. And with the Yordan Alvarez. Pack number 5. High 10, Giancarlo Stanton, Brett Anderson, Sean Murphy rookie card. We have Stadium Club Chrome, Jordan Montgomery, Pete Alonso, Neil Walker or Turkey Red Chrome, Craig Kimbrell, and a Kerry Wood Chrome, Shogo Akiyama, Kirk Casilli, Cody Stashik, Brandon Dixon, and Brendan McKay. So we're getting a lot of rookies. Happy with that. A lot of rookies. Got a Stadium Club Chrome. And a Sean Murphy. Let's get like a Luis Robert insert. We have Anthony Alford, Hunter Pence, Giovanni Gallegos, Jesus Luzardo, Kyle Lewis.
It kind of went like the last
Jordy Mercer, Sam Haggerty, Jose Iglesias, Derek Jeter, Mark Grace, Alex Wood, Christian Yelich, Francisco Cervelli, and Nolan Arenado. Last pack. Let's see if I can get a Rose Arena. And then I gotta sleeve these guys up. Last pack of this, and then we get the coin card. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. And hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Johnny Davis, Jacob deGrom, Polar Bear and Squirrel, Yon Lopez, Aaron Judge, Jonathan VR, Anthony Rendon, Frenchie Cordero, Keibert Ruiz, Youngsoo Kim, Julius Chassin, Mark McGuire, Luis Severino. Oh, no Rosarina in this box, but let's get a top rookie out of this. But let's go through a little recap. Luzardo, Lewis, Sean Murphy, Kerry Wood Chrome, Brendan McKay, Bo Bichette, Yordan Alvarez, Trent Grisham, and an Aaron Judge refractor. See who we get. Kind of get it off camera and cover it with this. Okay, let's see who it is. Okay, it's a batter of... Oh, please be Chris Bryant. Please be Chris Bryant. Let's go. My favorite player, Chris Bryant. I like that one a lot. Nice. Not a parallel, but I'll take it. Chris Bryant, my favorite player. So, there's that for you. And if you guys did, again, hit that thumbs up button. And we'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.